participants are muted and they can unmute themselves.
Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Forex Trader, and today we're trading the we've got a lot on the Great Britain pound against the Japanese yen. So what we can do now is we're going to buy the market. Okay, so our current balance now is 405 and we're buying the market right now. So there's something happening in this area here that caused us to buy, and what we can do is we can plot a 1, 2, 3, something like this, and there's our profit. Sorry, can't see that, can we? Have to zoom out a bit. Okay, so we can go for the first profit, 139.20. 139.20. Let's go. I'm just going to the other account. Get that sorted. Okay, so now we're $10 in profit. And you can wait for a retracement. So most of our students wait for a retracement, which is fine. So we retrace in this area here. Put a stop loss right here, just way below that. Change that color to red. That's our stop loss. Just go out a bit more to get that take profit. Take profit there. Take profits there, and what's the level? Let's have a look. EP so 139.20. Entries here. Okay, so as soon as we hit our take profit, we'll let you know. So I'll see you back shortly. Thanks for watching.
All participants are muted and they can unmute themselves.
Welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. As you can see, so we entered a trade as soon as it retraced down a bit here from its previous high. We entered a trade, so it retraced down here for about 19, 20 pips, and then it just went back up to break that previous high there, and now it's way about that now. So it's about 2.5 pips above the previous high, looking to continue the movement up also. But what's important is that we just worked out that we made 10% profit based on our profit right now, which is at $40, and also our balance, our original balance is 405. So therefore, we're pretty much about 10%. So you don't make that sort of return in one day. So just to share that with you. So we're still there. We're still halfway there. Our profit target is 20, so 0.2. So we're sitting at 0.60607 right now. So we're pretty much halfway. I think, yeah, 14 more to go. So we're pretty much on our way there. So if you want to close your trade and make 10%, that's fine. You know, our students can do that, because the system here and the lot size that we worked out basically based on this particular system. Okay, so based on the lot size that we're trading in 0.21, all our student knows how the lot size is calculated and so on for that 10% of maximize our return each trade for scalping using this method. Okay, so right now we're up, and we'll come back shortly as soon as we hit our take profit target, and let you know how we go. See you soon. Welcome back to Simple Forex Trader, everyone. Let's just mute everyone in the
All
class.
participants are muted, and they can unmute themselves.
Okay, so we can close this trade manually right now. When it hits out, probably another 3 more pips, and just over 2 minutes and 30 seconds to go. So we think it's going to hit it, and with this candle, if that's going to hit it, we close the trade, and we'll make some money. So I think due to the strong momentum, it's definitely going to hit our take profit, our first target. Today we're going for our first target, because we're already making, because the system here shows us that we're going to make at least 20 pips. So that's heaps, that's plenty already. I mean, look at the profit right now, $70. And that's like over 10%, and that's more than enough. Don't want to be too greedy. All right, there's 20. So close the trade now. Done. Trades are closed, guys. Close all your trade, please, or move your, if you're doing the advanced course. So let me show you the result right now. We're $77.19 in profit for this trade, and also give us a total balance of $481.94. Now, a lot of our students in the class are very smart, very clever. Actually, all of them got it right. They worked out that it's more than 10% profit today that we made. So congratulations to everyone in our live trading class, and we'll call it a night. Thanks everyone for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you want to join our live trading class, come and join us and make some profit with us together and have fun. See you back next time. Have a lovely day. Bye.